In this video, we'll explore the TimeIPS directory. The directory allows all employees to view general company and employee information. Employees are also able to view in real time who is currently clocked in. Under the main menu on the left-hand side, click on Directory. The Employee Status view appears and lists all active employees with their current in or out status and the last job they worked. By default, this information is viewable by all employees and can be used as an electronic in-out board tracking employee status throughout the day. To manage the display preferences of the Employee Status view, click on the Display Options bar. You can filter employees by their in-out status, manager, organizational unit, or site. After making changes, click on the Display button. The middle section allows employees to set their own status message, whereas employees with global directory status permissions, such as payroll administrators, can add, change, or delete other employees' statuses and the default status message. To set an employee's message, first select their name, then either pick a status from the drop-down or create your own customized message. To add a message, type the message and click Create. The new status message will appear in your drop-down list. Select the message from the drop-down and click on Set. The message will now accompany the employee's status in the table. To add a new status message to the default list, click in the box next to Global Status Controls. Type the new message and click on the Create button. The new status message will be added to the default list available to all employees. When viewing the employee status screen, you can choose to automatically refresh the status view screen at clock out or once every minute. If the box is not checked, that means the default is set to not refresh. You can override the default by checking Automatically Refresh this page. To change the default, click the blue link which will take you to the My Settings page. From the General tab, select whether or not to refresh automatically and hit Submit. To edit or view more details regarding an employee's clock event, click on the blue Last Clock link next to their name. This takes you to the Time Edit Report page, where you can clock the employee in or out, edit their time, and many other related details. Check out the series of Time Edit Report videos for more information. When employees clock in or out, they have the option to add a comment. This comment can be seen and edited not only from the Time Edit screen, but also the Employee Status View section of the directory page. Employees can view but not edit clock-in notes. Administrators with permissions can add and edit these clock-in notes by simply clicking on an existing comment or in an empty box. Then type the new message and hit Tab. The box will be blue while editing and will turn white once it's saved. Once a clock note is entered, it can be edited only until the employees clock again. After that employee clocks again, the clock note is locked from future edits and is cleared from the Employee Status view screen. For additional information, click on the icons at the top of the Employee Status directory page. These additional pages are view only. The employee list shows all employees separated into the organizational units and includes employee contact information, which is pulled from the employee page. The Clocked In page organizes all currently clocked employees by the organizational unit and includes the current day's hours worked. The Clocked In Excess Hours page also organizes employees by organizational units, plus includes the hours worked for the day and week. Employees exceeding their scheduled total work hours will be highlighted in red. The limits are set on the Schedule tab of the Employee page. The last icon on the directory page is Company Information. The Company Information page includes general information about your company and can be customized using HTML tags from the directory section of the Company Divisions page. Navigating back to the main menu, under Administration, we click on System and Company Divisions. Expand the division's name, and then click on the Directory tab. The information available in the directory can be customized by HTML formatting. Enter the HTML code in the directory page Company Info field. If you're not familiar with HTML coding, use the example HTML code provided. Locate the example information, such as phone number and website, then replace it with your company's information. You may also check out one of the many HTML guides available online. Other additional directory options include requiring employees to be logged in order to view the directory. Login is required by default. By changing this option to not required, anyone with access to your network will be able to view your employees' list and contact details. This may not be desirable, especially if your system is port forwarded to the internet. If you want employees who are not logged in to be able to view the last clocked in date and time of all employees, select Visible under Show Last Clock Time. If you want employees who are not logged in to be able to view the statuses of all employees, select Visible under Show Employee Status. Be sure to save row when you finish making changes. Once formatted, your company information will appear on the directory page.